Get this party started. I'm Matt Fierro. I'm going to be hanging out with you today. All right, we got number 16 on the. Oh, maybe not. Cool. Number 9 takes one for the team. Heads down to first. Number 6 hits a fly ball to center field. Emma throws it in. Moves the runner to the third. All right. 2-9 up to bat. 29 looks in. Pitch on the way. Ball 4.
Get it back, 2-9.
Number 2 steps in. Ball in the dirt. Gabby's still second. There you go.
There you go.
Right up the middle.
Good job.
That'll score number 29. And we're all tied up. Bottom of the second.
Nice and smooth. We don't need a hit for the fence. So let's go.
Here we go, Leon. Here we go, 1-9.
Yeah, 1-9. Takes a good swing over the right field for the out. Gonna be your first out of the inning, which will bring up number 22. Bella takes a swing over to short. Short overthrows first. Gonna move it. Run is gonna score. It's gonna be a triple. And in the park home run. All right. Good job. Take him where you can get him. Bring up number 8. Nice hit. Center fielder going back. Drops the ball. Not able to make the catch. Stand up double.
Hey, way to hit on, Cam.
Let's go, Apple. Keep them rolling.
Balls and strikes.
Go after. Go.
Ball 4. Now bring up Izzy. Number 17. There you go. Hits it right up the middle. Base hit. RBI. RBI single.
Good job, Cam. Load and go.
Emma has a chopper. Down towards first. Steps on the back for the out. She did move the runners though. Brings up number 11. Ball 4.
Come on, Emma. Get him in. Go, Emma. Let's go, Emma.
Bases loaded. 9 takes a strike right down the middle.
Good ball.
Dead ball for number 9. Taking one for the team. It's also an RBI. Is that RBI? What do you call that?
It's not an RBI, is it?
Which he brought in a run. Everybody on Facebook wants to know. Maybe somebody on Facebook does know. All right, number 29 is up. Nice hit. Down the third baseline. Drives it in number 17. I'll bring up number 2. Bases loaded. Got a hit. Over into the right field. Scores 2. Moves the runners to third and second. Angels brought the sticks today. The line drive straight to short, so for the final out. Angels had 8 runs in that inning. And we're at the top of the second.
All right, take that, girls. Take D. Here we go.
Full count. Hit up the middle. Over to shortstop. Over to first. Not in time. .44 pops up. Number 16 makes the catch for the first out. Ground ball hit over to short, over to first, in time. Trying to get the pick at second. Hit over to first. 40 out. Denver Blizzard. No runs that inning. Left 2 stranded on 3 hits. .22 ticked the ball low. Takes a hack all the way out to right field. Or single. Brings up number 8. Outside. Bella's still second.
Can't get it back, bro.
Ball in the dirt. Actually, it's ball 4. Brings up 2-6. Right back at the pitcher. Into center field. Yeah, score number 22. RBI. You should bring up number 17.
Come on, easy, you got it.
It's my favorite number. Seven hits it. Over to short. For 1 out.
What?
16 hits over to second. Who's not able to make the play. Number 17 is safe at second. Number 11 hits it deep into left field. It's going to be at least a double, which will score 17 and 16 on a double. That'll bring up Angels 11, Denver Blizzards 1. No outs. And number 9 comes up. Number 9 takes a rip. Foul ball down the left field line. All right. We'll start the top of the third. Angels up 11-1. Had to get that camera fixed. I realize it's kind of dark, but full count. Number 9 hits it right down the line, right field, throwing it in, at least a triple. Number 7 takes a base, which puts runners on the corners. Number 6 pop flies to right field. Who makes the catch on an RBI single? It's 1 down. Leaves the runners on the corners. Actually scored 1 on that, so it's going to be Angels 11, Blizzard 2 on a ball. Catcher throws down the first on a check. And 16 steps up from the Blizzards. Ball. Seven steals second on the overthrow by the catch. 7 looking for a hit. But strikes out swinging. That'll end the top of the 3rd. Denver Blizzards do score in that inning.
I'm just wasting, okay, when I have that. That's what I'm doing.
2-9 up. Hits it back at the pitcher. Short over to first in time. Number 2 hits it into center field for a single, which will bring up number 19. He takes a swing at it. It's going into center field. Who makes the catch in time? That'll be the first out of the inning, I believe.
So
22 takes a rip over to short, who throws it to first in time for the 3rd out. Three over to short to first for the out in time. Nice play. I'll bring up number 44 for the Blizzards. Nice change up from number 8. For the 2nd out. Gonna bring up number 29.
Here we go.
29 over the short, short over the first for the final out. That'll be game. We'll call that game. Your final: Colorado Angels 11, Denver Blizzards 2. I'm Matt Fierro here in Aurora. We'll see you next time.